gotta come say goodbye. Lady? Do you want to come and say goodbye to your son?
Good afternoon, guys. What's the time?
Do you want to say bye to your brother?
Yeah.
Louis?
12:45 ng hapon. And may lakad ang family, guys. Pupunta tayo sa isang birthday party na i-held nila sa park. Yung friend niya, Ate Paris, na, yung kasama namin the other night na nag-dinner near the river. Yun. Punta kami. Daddy, come na. 2 o'clock pa naman. But, as usual, hindi na naman kami bumili pa ng regalo. So, we're going to the shop now. Hello guys, pakita ko sa inyo.
Coming.
I burnt myself. Hair straightener, guys. Straight ko ang aking hair kanina. Ewan ko ba ano nakain ko at ewan ko sa aking kamay. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's go. Do you want Mama to carry this?
Hi guys.
Stop that.
Stop what?
No, it's Celine said stop that.
So stop that funny business.
Trevi loves it.
Yeah,
Stop
Mom.
that funny business.
There's the witch! Yeah. Kucho, kucho. See you when we come home. You can't come to the park with us, unfortunately.
Yeah, hold on, Lee. Give us a second.
No, your broom is the other way around.
I'll get up for you.
No!
It's the other way around, my love.
No!
Huh?
No!
It's okay, it's not the other way
Take
around.
him for a walk.
Okay.
Take him for a walk when you get home.
Okay, Mommy.
Nandito na kami ngayon sa Canon Hill. Pupunta lang kami ng Kmart, guys. Doon kami bibili ng pangregalo. Namin yung mama ni Daddy mo. Pero, magpapaiwan siya dito kasi hindi siya sasama sa birthday. So, dito lang daw siya mag-drink-drink ganyan at mag-shopping-shopping pag may time. So, Nini! Where's your lizard?
I've got it.
Hi, Paris!
Hi!
They have Halloween stuff na, Allah.
Look at Tommy, you're
Because it's next month, yeah.
How do you gotta do this?
Touch it.
Just be me. Look at this, Lily.
Does this work?
Touch it. Touch. This one. This one.
Touch the clown.
Touch the clown.
Is it gonna work?
Touch lagi. You'll never.
It's good. I think I found one.
Which one?
I can't reach it.
Sabi nung mama ni Violet. Oh, this one is nice. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking.
Cute. Mahilig daw sa ganito si Violet at the moment. Miss Piggy, the Muppets, Squishmallows.
Maybe this one?
This is nice. Better get this one and then some accessories and that. Yeah?
What accessories?
Don't you like something for bracelet? Lily, careful, careful! So, nakabili na kami ng pangregalo namin. So, it's now 1:30. So, we're gonna head off now. Para hindi kami late. So busy, this one. The kebab place. They must be doing some deal or something. Ah, I know. First birthday, that's why. It's their first birthday today. They're doing a $1 kebab.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why it is. Oh, is it 11?
$11 kebab?
No.
It is.
$1 kebab. First birthday. First, wait na kami, pero kami ni Baby Celine ay nagpaiwan muna sa sasakyan kasi tulog. So si Ate Paris siya kasi Daddy Mike, lumabas na sila, guys. Ayan, nakapaglaro na. I have few people there now. Sabi ko, patulog ko muna si Baby Celine kasi iiyak yan pag hindi niya nakuha yung tulog niya. And she'll be suki-suki. Tulog na tulog. So we'll just wait at least half an hour. At alam niyo ba guys, it's very exciting kasi last night naragdagan na naman ng isa pang membro ang family namin. So yung asawa ng kuya ko nanganak and another girl. I'm very excited kasi alam niyo ba last year dalawang pamangkin nagkaroon ako and they're both boys. So this time girl and meron nang makakasunod sa mga pag-OOTD ng ating Ate Paris siya ni Baby Celine. Kasi last time yung sister ko nanganak siya lalaki, tapos obviously hindi nila magamit yung mga gamit ng mga girls natin, but well, some hindi, pero meron ding oo kasi katulad ng pinadala nating balikbayan box and may mga damit naman yung Baby Celine tsaka sa Ate Paris na unisex pa, katulad ng Adidas na set, ganyan, okay naman kasi blue, so girl and boy can wear it. But mainly, sobrang nakaka-excite guys kasi girl and pwedeng ma-arte-artehan, So ngayon, yung mama tsaka papa ko, meron na silang 9 grandchildren. Can you believe that? Alam niyo ba guys, yung kuya ko pang-anim niya na yan. And yeah, it's very interesting kasi kaming magkakapatid, 4 lang kami, And then yung kuya ko, my God, hinay ang aking kuya guys. 6. Oh my goodness. Kasi yung kuya ko tapos ako kasunod, meron akong 2, so 8 in total. Tapos yung younger sister ko may isa, so 9. Tapos yung youngest namin still a teenager. So, wala pang anak pa. Oh, wow, my God. I can't believe my brother has now 6 children. It's very exciting kasi next time na uuwi kami ng Pinas, there's more kids. Yeah, bonggang-bongga tayo. Hindi na tayo magkasya sa sasakyan natin pag uwi natin ng Pinas kasi magbabas na talaga tayo nito kasi marami na kami. So, the family is definitely growing and very blessed.
Baby. Good girl.
Sabi ko mamaya na eh. Sabi ni Michael, the ferry is there now.
Go, mama.
Ayun yung mommies ni Baby Celine. So I'll just go. This is actually my bag for today, guys. Ta-da! Let us go. Where's the key? Ako na talaga. I turned the car off, tapos iniwan ko yung window. There you go. Alrighty. Tingnan nyo, andun ang ferry, oh. Ayan, sa Paris, ayan na. Beautiful. Oh, looks fun. Dami nila, ha?
And lay back down on the ground. Alright, who's next, Violet?
Look! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yes. Love you, Baba.
Oh, paling. Is that high enough for you?
No. Push up. Push up. Go fast.
Wait, oh, don't do that.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Be careful.
Look at you girls. Look at you girls. Lenny, look at Daddy and smile.
Careful, Palini. What have you got? More sweets. More sugars.
I got 3 sugars.
You had cake, and there's more in the party bag. Oh my goodness. It's enough na. You have enough na. Come on. We're going home because Lola Karen is waiting.
Can I just taste some? I haven't tasted some.
It's 8 o'clock ng gabi. Andito kami sa labas, guys. Sa South Bank. Kahit late na. Kasi we're going to watch the, how do they call it, Bob? Drone show. Yeah. At alam niyo ba, sobrang daming sasakyan, guys. It took us an hour to drive. So, to remind us, 3F. 3F. Okay, we'll go to lift that way. So, 8:15 mag-start yung next show. Can we use this one?
So is the going upstairs?
Yes. Go upstairs. And we have to cross the road. We'll make it. Push. Lily, push. Okay. The show is starting in 5 minutes, guys. Nagmamadali kami, but the traffic light, it's okay kasi across the road lang naman talaga. And we will be there. Are you excited? Huh? We'll show you the wheel. The wheels in the bus. It's a big wheel there. Come on, sweetie.
And it's one of the books.
So busy. Napakaraming tao, guys. Look. Here's the Brisbane wheel, guys.
It's called Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel.
Yes. Lini ay pa. Carry pa more. Very loud. Kaya pala dali. So, ito, ang bago nilang inopen, guys. When we were here last time, sumakay kami niyan. And itong bridge na to, hindi pa open. Tingnan nyo. Ayuk. Cross to the city, huh?
Up there, or down here?
A good question, Larry. I don't really know.
JD's bridge, just over here.
Ayan. So, across the, guys, the ilog, yan na yung city. Oh, well, people are here, Bob. People are here, so we can sit there. Oh, look! Come here, babe! Come! Here, stand here! Oh my God, so beautiful!
What is that?
Drones, honey.
I mean, like, what is that?
Oh, just wait.
In the ancient dream time of the Aboriginal people in Brisbane, in the shining stars of the Milky Way, the rainbow serpent morning arrow traversed the heavens. The impact echoed across the landscape, awakening the spirits that slumbered beneath the earth. ferocious howls threatened to unleash chaos upon the land. Sensing the impending danger, the creatures looked to their wise elder, Kumibura, the knowledge holder, for guidance. Protect everyone! Use your frilled neck! Kumibura's voice rang out, carrying the weight of the ancient wisdom and authority. Alongside him, Truth of the honeybee buzzed with determination, rallying her fellow insects to join the defense. Against a storm, with Benangurang's full neck and the united efforts of the creatures of Brisbane, a barrier was formed against the raging tempest. Back to the heavens, its radiant form disappearing into the night sky, it left behind a legacy, a legend that would be passed down through the generations. The frill-necked lizard at Highgate Hill. The spirit of the Dreamtime lives on. The legend of the rainbow serpent Mundagara and the great battle of Wilwimpa, the wind spirit, became etched into the fabric of our land.
For you. Very loud, wasn't it?
Yeah, I didn't like the loud ones, but I just wanted to watch. It was scary.
Like the lights?
It's a dragon.
Did you like the drone?
Yeah. Wait, it's on the dragon.
Daddy thought his underground blood coming out.
It's a dragon.
Dragon. Go get something to eat.
Mom, Daddy, you didn't see the dragon.
Grabe. Tingnan nyo, napakaraming tao, guys. Sana doon kami. Oh, maganda yung view doon sa taas. Ay, start na yung sobrang daming tao. Everyone's coming this way. Okay, let's go. Dito pala nila nilagay yung mga little shops. Normally kasi doon sa daan. Dito nila nilagay this time para walang sagabal. We'll go get something to eat. We ended up here in Vietnamese restaurant, guys. Kasi yung Nando's na gusto namin puntahan, 2 hours daw yung waiting time. So, ayan, we're having some soup for tonight. That is having beef, chicken curry for the girls, and I've got my usual bumwell. Let's eat! Look, Lee! Ling Ling! Ling Ling! Look!